How to create your first invoice in web. First of all, log into your web account and go to your dashboard. On the left hand sidebar, click on Sales and Payments and then select Invoices to begin creating your first invoice. Then you will be asked to create or choose from a template. You can add your logo, choose colors or select a template style. Here I will go with a sample template. This will open a new invoice page where you can start adding your details. Start by uploading a logo and adding a summary. Next, add the customer you want to invoice. If you already added your customer, your information will automatically appear. If not, you can create a new customer directly from this page. After that, move to the invoice details section. Enter the invoice number, PO or SO number, and invoice date. You can also set the payment due date depending on your payment terms. Next, scroll down to the item section. Here enter the product or service name, description, quantity, price and tax if applicable. You can add multiple items if needed. Then review the totals shown on the right side. Web automatically calculates the subtotal, taxes and final payable amount for you. After that, scroll further down and add any notes or terms and conditions you want your customer to see, such as payment instructions, refund policies or delivery details. You can also add attachments if you want to include extra documents or files. Once everything is filled in, click Save and Continue. You can also choose Save and Send or Save and Record a payment depending on what you need. Now you know how to create your first invoice in web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.